The verb to be plus subject plus verb-ing is used to talk about arranged or planned actions in the future. Where plus am or is or are plus subject plus verb-ing is used to ask the place or location of something. Examples. Where am I meeting you tomorrow? Where are you going now? Where are you studying your lessons? Where is she watching the show? Where is he taking you to dinner? Where are they having their much-needed vacation? Where are they bringing these boxes of chocolates? Where is Samantha getting a plastic surgery? Where are Mary and Cindy applying for a job?